So good day everyone. So today we'll discuss about electrical safety in welding. So first slide, uh, electrical safety in welding, protecting welders from electrical hazards. So this explains that electrical safety in welding focuses on preventing accidents caused by electric current. Welding machines use high electricity to create heat, which can be dangerous if not handled properly. And this topic is very important because welders are exposed to electrical risk every day, especially in workplaces where safety rules are ignored. Why electrical safety is important? So first, welding uses high electrical current. Second, risk of electric shock and burns. Third, wet conditions increase danger. And last, safety prevents serious injuries. So, welding requires strong electrical current to melt metals. If a welder accidentally touches live parts, it can cause electric shock, burns, or even death. Wet floors, sweat, or rain can make electricity travel faster through the body. Following electrical safety rules helps protect welders from accidents and save lives. Next slide. Um, Common electrical hazards in welding. Damaged or exposed cables, wet gloves, clothes, or floors. Poor grounding of equipment. Improper use of welding machines. So, as we all know, electrical hazards really happens when equipment is not properly maintained or used. Broken cables can expose live wires, which cause shocks. With gloves or clothing allow electricity to pass through the body easily. Poor grounding can cause electricity to flow where it should not. Then these hazards increase the chance of accidents during weldings. Next slide. Electrical safety precautions. So, first, inspect equipment before use. Keep hands and clothing dry. Wear insulated gloves and boots. Ensure proper grounding. And turn off equipment when not in use. So before welding, equipment should always be checked for damage. Welders must keep their hands, gloves, and clothes dry to avoid electric shocks. Wearing insulated personal protective equipment or PPE like gloves and boots helps block electricity. Proper grounding ensures electricity flows safely. Turning off machines when not in use prevent accident contacts. So in conclusion, electrical safety is essential in welding. Awareness reduces accidents. Follow safety rules at all times. Safety protects lives and equipment. Electrical safety should always be a top priority in welding work. Knowing that the hazards and the following proper safety procedures greatly reduces the risk of accidents. When welders practice electrical safety, they protect not only themselves but also their co-workers and equipment. A safe welder is a responsible welder. That's all. Thank you.